6 times the charm. My name is Mrs. Kavacki.
And I'm Miss Whaley.
We are the club advisors for the Woodlyn broadcast channel. WBC was originally created last year by my former colleague, Mrs. Strawn, and myself.
And they built an amazing foundation for our... Stop, because this...
You did it right every time.
It's because I'm choking. I felt like I had a bowl.
Hi, I'm Ava Deere here with our 2 school counselors, Miss Deco and Miss Summer. How's it going about our kindness challenge, Miss Summer?
Hi, Ave. So our lifeline for February is kindness, which means to be helpful and caring. So we have over 300 students in this school, and every student is going to get a heart where they get to write or draw an example of something kind, and then we're going to hang it up here on this tree for everyone to see.
That's so great. How about you, Miss Deco?
Guys, I can't really hear you. So just talk loud. Slow down, okay? You're doing so good. I love the energy. I love the reactions. You guys have personality on camera, and that's the hardest part, actually. So all you have to do is just slow down and speak up, okay?
You guys did do great.
So we're going to stop it, and then we're going to restart it then.
When you go, it's been a year, I'm going to go. Miss Tangi, what do you think cooperation means?
I think cooperation means everyone working together nicely and communicate. Oh, see, I messed up. Communicate now.
Good. Try that last line again, because that's like your closing line.
Okay.
That's your March weather forecast. Keep your eye to the sky.
Okay.
Back to you in the studio. You know, keep it a little
Keep your eye to the sky.
eye to the sky.
Okay.
There you go. You can give it a little flair. Give it a little bit of you.
Here's some action.
Okay? All right. Give him a countdown.
Forecast. Keep your eye to the sky.
Start with that's your March forecast.
Okay.
Start right at that beginning. Because I'll cut it easier when I do that. Count it down.
That's your extended March forecast. Keep your eye to the sky. Back to you in the studio. I'm here with Jason. Jason, what was the time that you cooperated with teachers? What was it again?
Many of you show cooperation every day, like when you and a partner solve a math problem together, clean up as a group, or play a team game at recess.
Today our
It's okay. You just start it again. Ready?
interviewers.
Hold on. Start with today.
Today our
Goodwin, what are we going to do without you? We're going to miss you so much, but we know you deserve this time in your life.
Pause for a second. I want you to ask that question again. You also have to mention you have to do your work in school. You have to be a role model.
Like say what they can do to get into WBC.
Yeah, to get into WBC, you got to do the right thing, right? So because we want people to see this and know that they can't goof off, they can't treat people mean, and then be in WBC.
Yeah.
They have to be like good role models.
On time and do the work.
Yeah,
You can say you're representing Woodlyn if you're in the WBC, so you have to do the right thing and treat people right.
Because you can't just get into WBC and then... Look, I'm going in. Yeah. Keep shining on.
Keep shining, Woodlyn. Back to you, Jasleen and
Why am I forgetting her name?
I like this point. You got the point down.
Who's
Back to
Jasleen?
you, Jasleen and Wasim.
Jasleen, no.
I think one of them is saying Jasleen and the other is saying Wasim.
Yeah, you need to move it.
Jasleen and Wasim.
All right.
Problem solve together by listening, being kind, and never giving up. Keep thinking, keep trying, and keep rising. Have a great March.
Okay. Too slow, too fast.
the fresh air. And remember, even when it's cloudy, we can still be someone's sunshine by showing accountability and kindness.
Keep shining, Woodlyn.
Back to you, Jasleen and Wasim.
All you have to do is that end one again. You guys.
Okay.
Great day to be Goodwin.
Hi, I'm here with Bobby Joe. Bobby Joe, what...
It's okay. Okay, so they're going to do their thing, and then it's going to come back to you guys.
Okay. Great. I want to do bloopers.
I know, we got to get that. All right.
Yeah, that's what I was like suggesting.
All right.
3, 2, 1. Thanks, Ava D, Maddie, and Michael. It sounds like winter is officially here.
I'm here in the auditorium. We are waiting on the Delco group to come for this. Wait, start over. Okay.
Beautiful. Down, yep. Relax your face for a minute.
Next time I record, I'm bringing my water with me. My throat is dry. I need a face massager.
Oh my gosh, you guys are becoming really like the talent.
No!
Right? We need massages, we need water.
Oh, I'm serious.
Yeah, I
It
think
hurts.
that's great. Because I'm gonna put it
Badly.
together. And,
Sure.
yeah,
I wanna make
that's
sure
good
you
for
have
now
enough.
because I might have more kids in here. So if I need more, I'll let you know.
All right.
You guys did great.
What's under this? What color is it?
It's just like a white desk, I think. All right, so Wata, we are.
Hey, Goodwin. I'm going to miss you. Enjoy your retirement. Oh, can I do that again?
Yeah, yeah.
Hi, Mikhail. Wait.
That's okay. We'll start. You're gonna start with anchors.
June 5th, we have the Ridley High School senior clap out. Future goals, walking through the halls. On June 9th, we have an 11:45 dismissal.
I was clicking and then it went out.
Run to my Franklin.
I was turning it and then it went out. You probably accidentally went down too far and then swiped out. I think I went too far and then I hit the scripts.
Franklin.
Let it out.
Franklin.
All right, we're gonna start with on June 9th. We have an 11:45 dismissal. Okay? Count them down.
Straighten up.
Straighten up, smile, count them down.
That's what's up, Woodlyn.
Back to you in the store, Sal and Denia.
All right, no more running. It looks kind of weird, actually. Stand right in the middle here. Try one last one. A success. Thanks for watching. Be sure to tune in to Season 2 of WBC. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I said turn in.
I didn't want to mess up.
I knew it. I got to do it again.
I almost started to laugh.
I should have never noticed it.
That's what's up, Woodlyn.
That's what's up.
Let's try that again. Let's let them pass by. Okay, no worries. Keep running the shot. Don't go too far. Stay here. Right here, guys. Come back. Come back. Right here. Okay? Let me see. All right? So you're going to say, that's what's up, Woodlyn. You're going to say, back to you in the studio, Sal and Denia. Okay? So you'll be like, that's what's up, Woodlyn. Back to you in the studio, Sal and Denia. Okay?
Get the pose in there.
All right? Smiling. Energy. Energy.
Yeah, weird. Okay, ready?
That's what's up, Woodlyn.
Back to you in the studio, Sal and Denia.
And the middle school and the 10th, I forgot that they are switched. So, ooh, that's a problem. I did ask 5th grade and they didn't tell me. The 3rd and
Should you send someone down to ask the 5th grade teacher?
I think we really have time.
I'll go.
I'm gonna call Mr. Angel. Perfect. Turn it off for me.
I'm here with Tessa and Rosie. Guys, what will you miss most about school over break?
Oh, let's try it again. First.
I'm with Tristan and Nora. Tristan, what happens if you get the
Start
call?
again. Okay, turn it off. A little more.
That's what's up, Woodlyn. But back to you. In the studio.
After we just press it again.
You guys excited?
I'm here with DJ. DJ, what are you gonna do for your bucket list?
I'm gonna go outside and make a snowflakes.
You're gonna make.
Happy birthday to all of our students and staff celebrating this month.
It just says big ... If you see someone who is celebrating a birthday, make sure to wish them well.
It just says big.
So let's have, Wasim's going to say, if you see, can you stop stepping in the shot? Because I'm going to have to edit you out. Get over here. If you see someone who is celebrating, you're doing that one, right? You stay here. Stay here.
My fiance and I have been together for 9 years, so we are going to celebrate our 9 years. So we are going to celebrate 9 years. So we are going to celebrate our.
Good morning,
Woodlyn. I'm Ariella.
And I'm Bensa. We're your WBC anchors.
Welcome to a very special holiday edition of the WBC, your Woodlyn broadcast channel.
That's right. Today we're spreading cheer, spotlighting kindness, and celebrating all the wonderful winter fun happening around our school.
Grab some hot cocoa because this broadcast is going to warm your heart.
This broadcast may look a little different as we have some special...
Hello, Woodlyn. Woodlyn. That's what I get for eating a pretzel right before I start.
I'm here with one...
Just start again.
Good morning,
Woodlyn. I'm Ariella.
And I'm Bensa.
We are your WBC anchors. Welcome.
We're going to do that one again, all right? So start it over. And you don't have to stop because I'll edit it out. We'll cut it, okay? So give them the 3, 2, 1 again, and then they know to start.
Good morning.
Oh, stop. At the very beginning. Yeah.
Oh.
Take us to the beginning, Maddie.
Good morning.
What's your favorite sprinkler pan?
Nope, pause for a second. You have to sing.
WBC was originally created last year by my former colleague, Mrs. Strawn, and I.
They built an amazing foundation for our students' new program. I'll say. They built
All right, we just got to start it over. That's all right.
You think?
Yes.
Oh, you start the teleprompter
I got to start the
over?
teleprompter over.
Hoop.
Because you just start from the top. It's fine.
Okay. Oh, gosh. We should have just done one shot.
You're fine. I'm going to stop and start the camera.
What's up, Woodlyn? It's Jason.
I'm Ayani.
And today we're showing off something amazing.
The talent of Woodlyn.
From the stage to the field to the classroom.
Our students have some serious skills.
Wait, they can do that?
Let's check it out.
All right, slow down. You cut Jason off. He wasn't finished. And I love your face. They're like, wait.
Woodlyn News. We've got a fun show for you today. We'll take a look at the upcoming winter weather, see what's happening in student activities, showcase some talents of Woodlyn, and hear a special message from our principal, and learn about our lifeline of the month, patience.
All right, let's do that again. You're doing good. Okay, try to sit up a little bit. You look a little hunched over. Okay, let's start over because I'm going to cut because you're going to look hunched and then I'm going to cut it and you're going to look sitting up all of a sudden. Okay, so yeah, sit up straight and tall. Good. If you need the table closer, I can do that so you're not bending to it. Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay. Where's that sleeve?
No.
That's why I grabbed it somewhere. Oh, that's smart.
A little cuff. I always like them.
Hi, I'm
Oh.
Good morning, Woodlyn. I'm Ariella.
And I'm Bensa.
We are your WBC anchors. Welcome to a very holiday edition. Wait. From the top.
Yep, from the top.
Good morning.
You forgot. Good morning, Woodlyn. I'm Ariella.
And I'm Bensa.
I'm here with Zoe and Emma. Girls, what will you miss? Wait.
Do it again.
Enjoy the good cheer.
Okay, so just pause there. Don't stop it. Pause there. All right, let's switch out. Miss Billy, you want to help me grab their hats?
Oh, that was good. Should we take this off?
Yeah, you take them.
Hats can come off.
Oh, I feel so free.
Thank you.
Free.
We'll give them both
Oh,
these.
glasses.
That was kind of good.
Some crazy glasses.
I know.
Oh. You have 2 reeds.
Yep, turn yours around. It's backwards. You can see the
Oh,
tag.
it's mine?
No, yours is good.
Okay.
Yeah, behind the camera, you're the eyes. So you need to make sure because they can't tell. Is everything...
Hi guys, today we're in Miss Janae's class.
One more time. That was me.
We'll be able to do all this afterwards. We're just going to do this
Maybe
first.
just a quick
Yeah.
one for our second. You don't have to read
Wasim?
anything, Wasim.
I'm just going to, I'll do all
He's
the
just going to
talking.
talk. You don't have to do this script
You
now.
don't-
We're going to
yeah.
do that later.
Don't worry about that script.
Yeah.
You and me, we're going to look this way. Cheer 4-3.
After we just press it again.
You guys excited?
Yeah. And one more time, okay? Stay warm, stay safe, and keep shining, Woodlyn.
Okay, so you're
like-
doing it at the same time.
It's
Okay,
like boom,
so
boom,
yeah,
and then boom.
stay warm, stay safe, and keep shining, Woodlyn. Okay.
That's your February forecast, Woodlyn. Stay. That's your February forecast. Stay warm, stay safe, and keep shining, Woodlyn.
Yeah. And
That's okay. Do it again.
Hi, I'm here in the auditorium. We are waiting on the Delco group to come here and show us some holiday activities. Now,
I'm here with Uzziah. Uzziah, what is on your winter break bucket list?
I have to play with the snow.
That sounds fun. Thank you.
All right, raise your hand. And I'm just going to pretend to be teaching and I'm going to call on you. How about you all raise your hand?
Wait a minute.
Even Wasim. Keep shining, Woodlyn. Back to you, Jasleen and Wasim.
Oh, yeah.